Squirrel doesn't have to be taught how to gather the nuts, nor it needs to learn where it should store them. Though it is born in spring, it has never experienced winter yet. But you can find squirrel storing these all things before the winter approaches, and it gathers. Birds don't learn the nest building lesson. They don't have the ability to read the maps. Even when they return, they can return to their locations after lots of years also. So they are the instincts which assist animals to cope with their environment. This is called the success instinct. Animals have the success instincts. We people also have the success instincts. And animals' instincts are limited. But what instincts we have, they are unlimited. They are called imaginations. A man instincts can have lots of things if a man imagines very dangerously. And these instincts are up to a creative imaginations. A person can create in different way what person imagines, and they are unlimited. The thing is that everybody thinks the man is a machine, but I want to tell you, we have the machine and we can use them. We are not machines. If we had been machines, so somebody would have used, and some people have been using us. So if you feel you are a machine, so never think like this. You have machine and you know how to use it. If you don't know, so learn it, because still the success instincts are there, and they are unlimited through our imaginations. So whenever these people, suppose, imagine rules the world. It has been said by the Napoleon, and it's real thing. It's a faculty of the it is the greatest faculty of the man. And if we destroy this faculty, so the condition of the person is like a stationary. So if really we want to be strong in our life, so we need to work upon our imagination. The success instincts are preset. Animals' success instincts are preset goals. They are already limited. They cannot think of it. Why? Because they are already preset goals. But a man's success and a man's instincts are unlimited. They are not preset. They can decide their goals. They can imagine well. They can visualize it, and they can make it happen. So this is the story of the success instincts. If you find an animal doing something better, so it's their success instinct, and these instincts assist animals to cope up with their environment. But we can do something better just because of our imaginations. They are the success instincts. Thank you guys for listening to me.